full screen, the first thing you're going to want to do is hit New Project. So I'm just going to click that here. And then once you're on your main screen, you are going to want to go onto the left side and hit Upload. For this, I already had my image uploaded, so I'm just going to insert that image, and it'll pop up on the screen here. Now I'm going to move it over. I'm going to zoom out so I can see my full image, and then place it. And for this project, I am going to, since it's two simple colors, I am going to hide all of the black pieces, and I'm going to weld all of the pink together. If you're working with scraps, you can completely keep these separate or only weld just the bow and leave the heart separate. But for me, I just wanted to go ahead and for the purpose of this video, I just went ahead and showed you that it is easier to weld it. Everything will be placed perfectly. Then you're going to want to go in and go back and show all of the black pieces that aren't welded together and hide the pink. Weld the black pieces together just like you did the pink, so that everything will be cut in one piece. And then show the pink again. And once you have done that, you can go and you can put it at the correct size. I was using a different type of t-shirt, so I wasn't sure exactly what size I wanted, but I did know that the height was way too high for this particular shirt. So I went in and I kept changing the width, and then eventually just changed the height to something that I knew that I wanted. So this is just what I use for my own personal shirt. Once that is done, you will be able to go in and hit Make It. And from there, you're going to see both of the mats, pink and black. And since we're working with a shirt, we are going to want to mirror. This is very important. If you don't do this, you will waste your HTV. So make sure that you're always mirroring whenever you're using iron-on HTV. And we're going to mirror both mats. And then once they are mirrored and adjusted to where we want them, we're going to go ahead and try to connect to our device. So we are going to connect to the Maker. And then we're going to select the mat that we want to cut on first, which is the black mat right here. And we're going to set our base material as everyday iron-on for HTV. And we want default pressure. We want to load our fine point blade. And then we can go ahead and hit go on the Cricut.